have Imran and the crew. And we heading out at sea, but look at this ocean today. Look at this sea. Flat, like glass. I hope it stays this way. And we'll keep you guys posted how the catch look at the end of the day. Fishing with Kalpoo is one more for the captain's love. We got Imran fighting our big one here. Come Imran, tell me what it is. Tell me what it is. Tell me what it is. Tell me what it is, buddy.
Ones on ones. Okay.
Take your time, take your time. What it is, Imran? Imran, fight him, you're fighting good. Eh, no, big salmon. Big salmon, take your time, take your time, take your time. Oh, good, come on, ride it, boy. Ride it. Take your time, now. Hook up again, yeah, hook up again. Water calm and nice. Imran now with a nice little reds. And we said again, we're going in the bait well already. Nice man, jam them. Bring him inside, bring him inside.
Raise the line and bring it inside.
Yes, two. Nice man, jam them. Again here. In a second attempt. Take your time, G. Nice fighting. You do your thing. You're fighting like a professional, man. Nice. It's just the gaff man, you know. Come gaff man. Don't gaff the line. You gaffing the fish, eh?
Try something.
What's your team? Every day onlookers day, waiting for it. Colors it?
Yeah.
Colors it? Alright, take your time. Pana, position yourself good with our gaff.
Next line rubbing on it.
Yeah, don't worry. Take your time. What's your team? Take your time. Yeah, you're going on that. Take your time, Imran. Good fight. Take your time. Nice, man. That's what I'm talking about. Watch out this fight. Men is want to know how to fight with a hand caster.
We have Imran, boss here, fighting, like a salmon.
Who taught him? Daddy, show yourself there.
Yeah, the captain.
Nice. That's the man who taught him, you know.
Imran is bringing up the 20-pound salmon.
Combi.
That's our line, sir.
They're nice fish. And I just take your time. You watch the line and you're aiming at the fish. Watch me. Have the gaff, you're going. If you go get under him or get behind him and you're gaffing there, right? Yeah, nice fish. These are pretty fish. So this fish fighting and running. Yeah, had the net standby too, Daddy. If it's a difficult fish to gaff, you can net it too, right?
Yeah, double chance.
Double chance, correct. Daddy, you net in the head first, right? You get any net, don't net from the tail, you net in from the head first, right?
Yeah.
Alright, Imran. We seen the vein on your neck want to pop out now, boy. Hey, nice salmon, boy. Look at the size of that salmon coming up there. Take him. No, big salmon. Alright, partner, pass the gaff for me. Gaff him. Oh God, pass the gaff. Alright, again, my game. Nice man. Bring him in there, Imran. Nice. Let me see him there. Raise him up there. Nice man. I can't get him good.
I can't get him the line.
Yeah, the line. Raise up there. Nice man.
Lovely. Well done by Imran again.
Well done, buddy. That is you. Nice salmon. That is it, boy. We had the famous veggie on board. Veggie, we're bringing in. Bring him in. Reds, boy, veggie, boy. Raise him up. Let me see him. Nice man, veggie. Jam them. Snatch ya?
Yeah.
Nice. Bringing them reds on them, man. Nice. I feel like somebody had to get in there for the man there. That is it, boy, Daddy. Pull your thing, boy. Salmon again. Let me see you. You have a pong? Let me see.
Oh, this fucking I do really cool.
Big red fish, man. Nice red fish. Well done. The chapter man execute really nice. Jam them. Raise them up there, Daddy. Let me see you there. Nice man, nice man. Jam them reds, man. Bring in them reds.
Jam my reds.
Let me get in the reds action. Must get in a little bit, man. I'm talking about jam them. Time, daddy. Take your time, daddy. Yeah. Where are they? Where are they? Take your time. I see that. Nice man. Bleaching. Talking about G. Bring them reds, right? Bring them reds. Jam them.
Bleeding on the side.
Nice man.
The gill's gone.
Nice.
Good. It's up.
Nice man. Logs on the inside. Nice man. And the reds just keep coming. Nice junkers there. Nice man. Jam them. They just keep coming. Partner, wait till this one is yours?
That's right.
Nice. Jam them. Nice man. It's reds. Keep them coming. Nice man. What is that? You're on the zone, boy.
Fucking fish, man.
Nice. On same side, sir?
Yeah.
The girl think it's the same fish. Nice. One side you keep pulling them. You jam them in the corner, man. Nice. Nice it, boy, veggie boy. Keep them reds coming, boy. Only reds today, boy. Jam them. Well, fellas, wasn't a very fast pace today, but some real selected grade. Nice big
grade.
salmon to top it off. What your team?
Good.
G team, Imran and the family day. Imran, how you find it was today, boy?
Great.
Great. You get your big salmon today, boy.
I mean, first time.
First time. Nice, man. So, fishing with the captain. One more for the captain's log. Signing out.